Does it feel familiar? That moment you wake up and can't find your center. Nothing ahead, nothing behind. The job that kept you afloat is suddenly gone. And with it any interest in anything. Not sadness, not melancholy, just a quiet, empty plane inside. And it feels like this is forever. Like you're broken. Like the world has moved on, and you're left behind without a map or a compass. But what if I told you this isn't the end? What if this is the most important beginning? That very silence, where old paths fade so new ones can emerge. That precise moment when life isn't falling apart, it's preparing the ground. You don't have to search for the path right now. You don't have to force yourself to feel interest. Your only task at this moment is to be gentle with yourself, to breathe, to notice the small things, the taste of tea, a ray of light through the window, the rhythm of your own heartbeat. Sometimes you need to lose everything to hear yourself. Sometimes you need to get lost to find not what you expected, but what's real. You are not useless. You are in process. And this might be the most important work, just staying with yourself and trusting. Even when you can't see the light, you are not alone.